My name is Charlie Kirk. I'm 31 years old. I was born in 1993 in Illinois, United States. Today, I am an influencer. I speak for young conservatives. I support Trump and MAGA. I share my ideas online. I am married and happy. My family inspires me daily. I have children I love. They give me strength. I grew up with values. Faith shaped my childhood. Family taught hard work. Dreams started very early. Not many knew my name. I was just a student. Simple days shaped me. Hope guided my steps. I founded Turning Point USA, a movement for young people. Voices joined together. Change started to grow. This is only the beginning. Here you'll learn my journey, stories from my path, lessons for your English. I grew up in Illinois. My family worked hard. Faith guided our days. Hope filled our home. I loved simple moments, playing outside with friends. Sports taught discipline. Teamwork shaped my heart. School was not always easy. I faced many challenges. Teachers encouraged my growth. I learned persistence daily. I dreamed of leadership. I admired strong voices. I wanted to inspire. Visions grew inside me. Books became close friends. History opened new ideas. Heroes gave me courage. Dreams grew even stronger. Challenges tested my spirit. Sometimes I felt small, but faith carried me. I moved forward anyway. Family stayed my foundation. Love gave me strength. Support never disappeared. I felt truly blessed. Dreams shaped my direction. Hope kept me going. Faith gave me clarity. The future felt possible. This is my 10th lesson. Dream big, even when small. Faith builds strong foundations. Never stop believing deeply. In 2012, I started. Turning Point USA was born. A vision took shape. A mission became clear. I was only 18. No money, little support. But dreams were strong. Courage drove every step. I spoke on campuses. Young people listened closely. Ideas sparked debates. Hope filled the air. Resources were scarce then. Events needed energy. Friends joined the cause. Momentum slowly grew. Critics mocked the mission. Challenges came every week. I stayed focused firmly. Faith carried me forward. Turning Point gained attention. Students joined in crowds. Chapters opened nationwide. The message spread widely. Leaders began to notice. Support grew from donors. Platforms gave us voice. Opportunities multiplied quickly. From nothing to movement, from doubt to belief. Turning Point became strong. The vision turned real. This is my 9th lesson. Great change starts small. Courage builds new movements. Faith makes growth possible. I traveled to campuses, met students face to face, shared ideas with passion. Energy filled the rooms. I spoke about freedom. I spoke about responsibility. Young people felt inspired. Dreams started to grow. Events became larger gatherings. Crowds listened with focus. Questions sparked new debates. Voices rose with hope. Some students felt silenced. I gave them courage. I encouraged open dialogue. Confidence began to bloom. Teachers sometimes resisted. Administrators blocked events. I stayed calm always. Persistence opened closed doors. Chapters spread nationwide quickly. Leaders emerged in schools. Teams worked with vision. Impact grew every semester. I guided young activists. I shared practical lessons. They found their voice. Strength grew in unity. Students changed their campuses. Movements gained recognition. Hope became contagious. Faith kept us strong. This is my 8th lesson. Inspire the next generation. Teach them courage daily. Their voices shape tomorrow. I visited many cities. Crowds came to listen. I shared my ideas. Energy filled each room. I talked about freedom. I talked about values. Young people paid attention. Questions sparked new thoughts. High schools opened doors. Colleges welcomed discussion. I met students excited. Dreams began to grow. I encouraged leadership skills. I challenged young minds. They debated and reflected. Confidence started to rise. Media noticed the movement. Interviews spread ideas fast. I stayed focused always. Message reached new places. Events became larger gatherings. More students joined actively. Networks were built nationwide. Impact kept expanding. I guided organizers closely. Teams executed with precision. People felt motivated. Change was becoming visible. I shared practical lessons. Students applied them daily. Leadership grew steadily. Hope spread across campuses. This is my 7th lesson. Share your ideas openly. Inspire courage and action. Influence starts with speaking. I believe in faith daily. It guides my decisions. Values shape my actions. I follow my principles. I married my wife in 2021. Together we share dreams. Faith strengthens our bond. Love guides our home. We have children together. Family is very important. I teach them values. Hope grows in our hearts. I pray and reflect often. It gives me strength. Challenges feel lighter. Patience helps in life. I stand for conservative beliefs. Freedom matters deeply. Responsibility guides my choices. Principles remain strong. I mentor young people. Faith inspires their growth. They learn to act rightly. I see hope bloom. I share values publicly. Speeches include morals. People connect with honesty. Trust grows naturally. Marriage, family, and faith. They guide all decisions. I balance work and life. Values lead the way. This is my 6th lesson. Faith and family matter. Values guide actions daily. Love shapes every choice. I faced many critics. Opinions were sometimes harsh. I listened carefully. I stayed focused. I learned from mistakes. Feedback shaped my work. I remained calm. Determination stayed strong. I defended my ideas. I spoke with clarity. Supporters encouraged me. Opposition tested patience. I adjusted my approach. I considered new strategies. I stayed true to values. I balanced criticism wisely. I engaged in debates. Discussions were intense. I explained my vision. I learned from dialogue. I stayed motivated daily. I relied on faith. Hard work continued. Progress came gradually. I inspired young leaders. I shared lessons openly. Challenges became opportunities. Confidence grew steadily. I focused on long-term goals. I maintained strong resolve. I adapted when needed. Achievements followed persistence. This is my fifth lesson. Face criticism with courage. Learn from every challenge. Persistence creates lasting impact. I traveled across America. I met many students. I shared my ideas. Energy was inspiring. I spoke at schools. Audiences listened carefully. Questions were many. I answered with clarity. I promoted leadership programs. I encouraged young voices. I taught responsibility. Hope grew daily. I organized events widely. Communities felt included. I motivated participation. People felt connected. I used media smartly. Messages reached far. I stayed authentic. Impact increased rapidly. I learned from experiences. I adjusted plans carefully. Challenges appeared often. I overcame with patience. I inspired many leaders. I shared my vision. I encouraged teamwork. Dreams started taking shape. I balanced travel and work. I focused on results. Energy stayed consistent. Efforts created momentum. This is my fourth lesson. Inspire others with actions. Share your ideas boldly. Persistence grows influence. I spoke at Utah University. Students gathered to listen. Ideas were debated freely. Hope filled the room. I sat at the table. Questions came with energy. Voices rose with passion. Dialogue shaped the moment. A sound broke the air. A single shot fired. Confusion spread instantly. Fear touched everyone. I felt sharp pain. The bullet struck deep. Darkness moved closer. Time slowed down. Friends rushed to help. Students cried loudly. Chaos filled the hall. Yet courage remained. Leaders condemned the violence. Flags were lowered. A nation paused. Respect was shown. I had lived for ideas. I believed in debate. I trusted young voices. Freedom was my guide. My work was not finished. Others will continue. Truth cannot be silenced. The mission remains. This is my third lesson. Stand strong for your beliefs. Even in dark moments, freedom deserves your voice. I was remembered by many. Students shared their stories. Families held memories close. Voices echoed his courage. Leaders spoke with honor. Tributes were placed daily. Candles burned softly. Respect filled the streets. I inspired others to act. Ideas carried forward. Young people raised questions. Change began to grow. Programs were created. Scholarships honored his name. Learning became a legacy. Knowledge spread widely. Communities gathered often. Stories were shared aloud. Lessons became life guides. Hope strengthened hearts. I encouraged courage and debate. Actions spoke loudly. Freedom remained central. Principles were protected. I listened to students' dreams. Promises were remembered. Voices rose for justice. Commitment did not fade. His memory became power. Ideas transformed lives. Inspiration moved forward. Change was possible. This is my second lesson. Stand for truth always. Honor courage with action. Legacy lives in deeds. I see a brighter future. Young people take action. Ideas continue to grow. Hope spreads widely. I believe in courage. Voices will be heard. Dreams inspire change. Action drives progress. I encourage debate openly. Questions lead to answers. Communities work together. Knowledge shapes decisions. I focus on education. Opportunities reach all. Everyone gains tools. Success becomes possible. I inspire others daily. Leadership shows the way. Responsibility guides choices. Commitment never fades. I support freedom of speech. Ideas spark growth. Challenges teach lessons. Strength comes from action. I remind people of values. Integrity is essential. Teamwork builds results. Change is achievable. I celebrate young leaders. They carry the vision. Inspiration spreads further. Progress moves forward. This is my first lesson. Believe in your vision. Lead with courage always. Your actions shape the future. What is your favorite part? Which lesson from Charlie Kirk helps you most? How will you use her story? Tell us in the comments. If you liked this video, please like and share it. Subscribe for more easy English stories. Thank you for watching. We're happy to help you learn. Remember this always. Freedom of speech matters.